Well, ladies and gentlemen, today we have with us the new Lamborghini Temerario, which is of course the replacement for the famed and long-serving Huracán. Well, of course, it wasn't going to be an easy task for the brand to replace the iconic Huracán, but the Temerario comes with a new design, new tech, more advanced features, it has got more power, it is more rev happy and has new ways to generate over 900 HP of peak power. So here's a quick walk around of this new Lamborghini Temerario. Now, starting off the front design, you get to see a very low slung and down to the ground nose, which is very sharp and gives it a proper supercar stance. So you also get sleek headlamps. Then you have the hexagonal DRLs. There's a wide grille and an aggressive bumper with sharp cuts. The bonnet is nicely sculpted and the whole front carries that wedge shape Lamborghini is known for. Otherwise, it looks technical, futuristic and has serious road presence. Now moving to the side profile, the Temerario has a classic mid-engine proportions. You get to see a low roof, clean profile and a sharp shoulder line running across the body. The stance is very planted and it looks long, wide and properly muscular. You'll notice large wheels filling the arches properly. The doors have a strong muscular look and feature large air ducts, and you also get to see short rear overhangs. And there's also a little cutout detail which you see here near the rear arches, which reminds you of older Lamborghinis, and overall, even while standing, this car looks fast and dramatic. Now coming to the rear side, this is the most dramatic part, the most dramatic angle of this car. It looks wide, aggressive and very race inspired. You get slim tail lamps with that same hexagonal theme which connects nicely with the front. At the back, you'll see a high mounted exhaust in the center which looks like the focal point of the rear design. Below that, there's a big diffuser that adds to the aggressive look. You also get aero vents and a very technical design around the engine bay area. Overall, it looks powerful and full of attitude. And once you get inside the cabin of the new Temerario, it just feels you're sitting inside a fighter jet. There's pure visual drama all around, sharp panels, dashboard, door panels, contrasting colors. The AC vents here look like some angry-eyed character from a DC movie. The layout is similar to the Lamborghini Revuelto. You get a digital driver's display, central touchscreen and a dedicated screen for the front passenger. Now if you look at the steering wheel of the new Temerario, you will notice how driver focused this car is. You'll get a lot of buttons on the steering wheel. There are over 16 buttons here, 4 dials. This one can be used to toggle between the ride modes. You will get a EV toggle right here, and this one right here can be used for drift mode. And besides that, there are even more buttons on the rear side of the steering wheel. On the right side, you will find controls for the volume and stereo, and on the left side, these buttons can be used to toggle the controls for the digital instrument cluster. So in total, you get over 26 buttons on the steering wheel along with 4 of these toggles, and that is a lot. And I think it's a good thing because even when you're going aggressive, you don't have to fiddle around in the central console or you have to look at the infotainment screen to find controls. You're going aggressive, you have all the controls in your hand, on your fingertips, and you know exactly what to do. Now overall in the interior, you get to see sharp lines all across, premium materials and that fighter jet inspired Lamborghini feel. Lamborghini has also improved cabin space and comfort compared to the Huracán, so this should be easier to use in daily base. Well, coming to one of the most important bit about this car, the engine. Well, out goes the naturally aspirated V10 from the Huracán and in comes a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 that produces over 907 HP and an astonishing 730 Newton meters of peak torque. Well, the headline figures here are that this engine can rev up to 10,000 RPM, and which makes it one of the most highest revving cars in the world. Well, it is also supported by 3 electric motors and a 3.8 kilowatt-hour battery pack. As for the performance figures, this car does the 0 to 100 sprint in just 2.7 seconds and the top speed is rated at 343 kilometers per hour. Well, this is the new Lamborghini Temerario for you. Well, it does replace the Huracán in its lineup, but it also marks a new chapter in Lamborghini's history. So what do you think about this model? Do let us know in the comments below and do subscribe to our channel. This is Yash Sharma signing off.